I want to take the time to show a few new features that are being released in version 1.17, since there are a lot of enhancements and new functionality. Starting on the dashboard, you will notice new buttons at the top. These buttons select a date range for the data displayed in the graphs. For example, I can hit 7 days to show the data from the past week, 30 days for data from the past month, and so on. I can hit all data to show all available data. This will help you zoom in on certain dates to see changes over different time periods. Here you can see my last 7 days are very different from my last 30 days, and so on. If you click the settings button at the top right, you will see that we have added a new setting. You can now choose the default ketone testing device. This is to save you time on the ketone logging screen if you are not using the default blood meter. I will choose the breath meter as that is what I use. Now, if I go to the ketone tracking page, when I go to add a new entry, you will see that the breath meter is already pre-selected. This saves time and a bit of annoyance if you enter ketones regularly. You can also see at the top of the settings page that we have added the version number of the app instance you are using. This will help us solve any problems you run into, as we will know what features and bug fixes you have installed. Let's go to the appointment screen where a new feature and some enhancements were made. First, you will see a new button at the top. This button will take you to a new screen where you can view all of your past appointments. This screen is useful for skimming through old appointment agendas and notes. I frequently need to remind myself of what my care team and I discussed, and this screen enables that. Going back to the main appointment screen, you can see past appointments and future appointments have a dot under the date where there's an appointment. Normally, when creating an appointment, you may have some idea about the agenda, but not the meeting notes. Let's edit a future appointment to see what has changed. Two things have changed on this page. First, the agenda and notes text fields are much larger to minimize scrolling while taking notes and planning for the meeting. The second, more subtle change is that now, as you type in notes or agenda, the appointment is automatically saved. This is a convenience and will save you from losing changes if you accidentally press the back button before saving. I'll demonstrate that I can add some additional notes. And instead of clicking Save Appointment, I'm just going to click the back button. Going back into the appointment, you can see that my notes were saved. Returning to the dashboard, a feature that we previously added but did not announce was the ability to click individual appointments to quickly edit their agenda or notes. This is a handy shortcut if you want to quickly add a thought about an upcoming appointment. So here I have one upcoming appointment and I can click on it to be taken to the edit screen where this appointment is pre-filled in. Thank you for watching this feature demonstration of our latest release. Comment below if you would like to see in-depth videos on any feature or have an idea for a new feature we should add.